Now, PyTorch, we can operate PyTorch or perform computation with PyTorch using either, of course, CPU or GPU. So I would like just to say to the people who wants to use with GPU or want to explain to anybody who has a GPU on his computer how to properly install it. So the first thing we have to do is basically going to pytorch.org, and what you're gonna do is scroll down, and then you will take a PyTorch stable version, and then you put on your system. So in my case, it's Windows. Maybe in your case, it's Linux or Mac. You have to be aware of this. After that, you have to how are you gonna install it? Is it using CUDA or pip, libtorch, or something other than that? So most probably you will use CUDA or pip install. So you have to declare it here. And after that, you just say what is the language you're using, either Python or something else. And of course, in our case, it is Python. And the computational platform, you can use, of course, CUDA 12.1 or CUDA 11.8. In my case, I'm using 11.8. So just use, of course, you can use the both, no problem. So you have to set which one you want. And then you will take this command, copy it, and then paste it in your command prompt or terminal or whatever, depending on the system you are using. If you are not going to use GPU, of course, CUDA is only for GPU. If you want to use CPU or CPU only, you use this one, which is CPU. And you take this one, and it will work. Now, one thing is, CUDA in general actually also operates. It will work for both GPU and CPU. However, CPU, it will only work on CPU. So here, now this is before installing it. So just hold a little bit. Don't install it yet. One thing is you have to go to CUDA. CUDA toolkit downloads or developer.nvidia. You can see here developer.nvidia.com/CUDA downloads. Please go there and then do perform the following that I'm gonna declare to you. The first thing is choose your system. In my case, it's Windows. Architecture. In my case, it's either 64 architecture or 86. It will work both ways here. There is no real option. And then which the version of in your Windows, because it's Windows already. So in my case, it's 11. Are you going to run it on network or local device? In my case, and most probably your case, is local device. And then after that, perform the following. Download this thing, which is 3.0 giga. It's a bit big. And then double click on on basically this one, CUDA 12.2 something, and just perform the thing you want. Yeah, that's pretty much how it will work. Now in here it's CUDA 12.2, and you just keep pushing next. Probably in your case, maybe in the future, it will be a different version. It's not a problem. It's better to install the latest version. So after that, once this is done, once it is done, you go back to the PyTorch and install it. Of course, I would recommend the more the latest version, but well, you can try both. And after that, hopefully, PyTorch will work without any problem.